In the past years, the external factor was a major driver and an influential player behind the scenes in the presidential elections in Somalia. As a result of the growing influence of foreign interference in Somali politics. Since the new millennium, several regional and Arab countries, especially Gulf and Western countries, have emerged in the presidential election scene, and these foreign alliances have begun to affect the course of the elections before and after they are held, which imposed thorny polemics in the political scene, and turned from a wave of political polarization to popular alienation as a result of the repercussions of these foreign interventions that affected the independence of Somalia as a sovereign state in adopting its decisions and alliances regionally and internationally. But His Excellency, the current President of Somalia, Mohamed Abdullah Farmacho, fought these interventions from the first day of his arrival at the presidential palace, which put him in the crosshairs of those regional and international powers, which interfere in internal affairs and try to influence private policies in this country, which has suffered from a long period of instability. Foreign intervention, as states and as international organizations, imposes its policies and agendas, which fall within the framework of threats and challenges facing Somalia as an independent state. But what makes President Farmacho the most popular president among the presidents who ruled the country, and the winner of the people's trust, is that he is more determined not to fully comply with the decisions and policies of the international community, and this was confirmed by the days after he expelled the United Nations envoy from Mogadishu, claiming his interference in Somali affairs purely internal, which led to the replacement of some European ambassadors to avoid Somali anger at those European interventions in its internal policies on